Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio, and I have a dish of leftover golds from my Colour Arte Prizm Pours and Primary Elements, and the colors in here were Emperor's Gold, Shiny Taffeta, Indian Spice, Mayan Gold, some sour lemon with orange crush in it, and a golden product, Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. So there's a little tiny bit of cell activator in there, and I think what I'm going to do is use my leftover cell activator and grab a Princeton Art Catalyst spatula if I can, and grab the rest of that. I cleaned out a container of solar flare that was in there too. This can go into the bucket. So what I want to do for a moment is put some more colors in here, starting with some orange crush, and then I'm going to contemplate on the Nickel Azo Gold, and I think I really want some of this crab apple, which is a primary element. The orange crush is a Prizm Pour. And hopefully that's enough. I had contemplated some pink, and I've got some ginger flower, and that might be kind of nice. Let's not yet. I'm going to throw a little tiny bit of shiny taffeta right on top. I don't know why. I'm going to put some bottles out of my way, just basically because I'm about to swipe and spin, and everything that's left in here is going to get a coating of paint on it if I don't move it. Some things I don't mind, like those. Alright, so I have pre-painted, like I showed you, I think. Pre-painted with just a medium black base coat. Pop this. This is Sherwin Williams Tricorn Black. Pillow paint. I think I could use almost anything as a base coat, but I want to make sure that I have spinability. Looks like I might be getting ready to top up my Tricorn Black. I do intend on swiping, I said that already. And I've got a petal-shaped spatula, and even though you can get them from Fluid Art Company, you can also get them off my Amazon link in a package that's really inexpensive. If you ever need a link, just ask me. Which reminds me, I have 28 lists of 100 videos playlists, and you can find them by going to my channel. I don't know if that's enough paint or not, but we'll find out in a minute. I want to go from the opposite side. This is all fresh paint from a painting I just did. It'd be really nice if I had left my Princeton Art Catalyst spatula right there. Now I could do a little bit of scoop and drag, or I could put some black through this if I wanted to. I don't feel like leaving any of it behind though, because this might be the last painting I get to do today. Almost ready. I said I'd contemplate on the pink once I got to this point, or at least I said it in my head. I still kind of think I might want to do that. Those things in the bucket. Let's have a look at a couple of choices. I've got some Jasmine primary element that might be kind of nice. kind of like that. We'll go with that. Do I want another pink? I've got some pink diamond. It's my opportunity to see how different they are. Pink diamond has a little more, I don't know, a little more purple in it. I could use some white. Well, maybe not white, maybe some Chantilly lace. True silver. There it is. Now it's not going to stay as a spiral, obviously. And I have a little bit of Atelier Black. Because I like to experiment. And I hope that's going to be okay. So now I'm going to take the white. And I have some, I thought I had some. I'm not sure there's enough to worry about in there. Black Celic, and I never cleaned out my tip. Darn. Wish that would come out right now. Whoa. Okay, well, we'll deal with that. I thought I might put some Mayan gold on this, but I think I'm just going to be happy right now. With what I've got. And wipe it off. And give myself a moment for those to clear, those cells to start to pop, and clean the tip out on that black just in case I want to use it. It seems to be very clogged suddenly, which is funny because I thought I just used it. Those tweezers, if I need them, they're gonna be in the bucket, and I better remember that. There's 2 sets, and I can't find the second one right now, so maybe I will if I need to. All right, so question is, what now? The answer is something now. That's not the answer. Let's give it a little bit of a spin. Actually, let's twiddle. And tip. Because I can. And I need those tweezers already, darn. Fortunately, I have a rag very close by. If you've seen my studio tour, you know where everything is. It's still there. And I did just see that right there. Maybe it was just a bubble. I'm not trying to tip everything off yet. Let's see, well, I got the light where I need it to be to see the bubbles. I could hit it really fast. That's not a bubble, I know that's a thing. Hit it really fast with a torch. I'm not unhappy I put the pink in there at all. Slow tipping. Not usually my thing. I could scoop and drag, but I'm not sure where I would do that from. And we're almost to the outside edges. I've only dripped over one spot, and I might be sorry if I spin, but I have to because there's plenty of paint there. I can see that now. But that will require a barrier between me and the paint spinning, which fortunately I have handy. My next life I'm having a larger studio, that's all there is to it. This is really cool. Do I want to do anything? If I want to do something, I better do it now. I guess I'm going to spin first. The cells are going to be really large. So it's basically a dirty pour from a dish with some added colors, which still leaves it a dirty pour. I'm just looking to get over the edge, and I probably never needed to put a black background on the canvas, but it doesn't hurt, in my opinion. So that's pretty slick. I like that. And if I want to leave it, I can, because I've got enough paint coming off everywhere to push it up on the edges right here. That one little spot. Let's pop that bubble. I love my fingernails. Do I really want to spin that anymore? Or would it be okay? I see that thing. Got it. I thought it was going to do more damage than it did too. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourself. I am going to do my very best to shimmer this at you. Every way is pretty much a good way up. I think I like it that way up best, the way I'm pointing it toward you. Put my phone down and try and put it in a rightful position. Let's try that. And hopefully it's spun out enough. I tend to wonder. I think so though. Wow, what is that? Look at that. That Chantilly lace is just striking. And whatever this is, it's got to go. Beautiful. Wow. Just gorgeous. I'll be using gold in some colors again. I like those multiple golds all together. There really shouldn't be much of anything in there, although that bubble's got to go. So I love you guys. I have over 28 playlists of 100 videos. And then I have by topic and genre. And I've got them all saved. I really like it this way for you best. Look at that. Look at those gorgeous cells. Look at that shimmer. Whatever that thing is, I really thought I got it. I will be looking for bubbles. So, did I say take care of each other, take care of yourselves? Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I would love to have a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Thank you to all you who have become members of my channel and have joined for $9.99 a month. I hope you're enjoying the over 60 videos available to members only. Last I checked, there were 7 of you, and I would love to have some of your friends join you. Please. Anyway, yeah, no, I sound desperate. Never mind. Thank you guys for making the donations through PayPal. I know it's Christmas, but it's Christmas for me too. I'd love to sell some artwork. I really, really would. If you'd like to contact me, my email address is easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. My paint pouring recipe, you can also ask me. I think it's under show more under the video, along with the link tree where you can find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Fine Art America, pixels.com, Pinterest, Society 6, Legalerist, my website. Also under Show More, you're going to find my paint pouring recipes. And what else have I not told you? The community board is a great place to ask me questions as well as comments. And you can find tomorrow's video there. Usually I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My Amazon link is on the link tree. I have 2 books there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And they are fabulous instructional books. Lots of people have told me that they enjoy them very much. So maybe you will too. I think I'm almost done. I love how this turned out. I'm glad that you're here. Thank you so much. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I really do need to sell some artwork. It helps me pay for my art supplies, and I really appreciate the help. Oh, and there's a 20%, excuse me, there is a 15% off coupon code for Colour Arte products, for Prizm Pours and Primary Elements. It's right under the video, and I'm an affiliate, so that will help me eventually, some. And I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I'm going to say goodbye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I just want to zoom in there. It's awesome. Awesome and sparkly. And obviously my turntable's way off. All right. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.